today's meditation, I'm using the essential oil Neroli. Neroli is a beautiful oil from the blossom of bitter orange. So it has the sweetness of flower and the refreshness of citrus. I love the scent. It reminds me of orange and sunshine. So apply a little bit at the lower back toward my spine, and then I rub it around my belly button. Let it sink a little bit. And then I love to have a little bit more on my palm. Rub it to let the aroma really goes all the way into my body.
Slowly ease the breath out. Again, breathe in slowly and slowly out. Within this moment, I invite you to feel the weight of your body being completely supported. You are okay. You are safe, protected, loved, and cared for. Let's breathe that in slowly and slowly out. Feel your mind relax. Feel your shoulders relax. Feel your back relax. Feel your legs being supported. Your feet at rest. Breathe in and out. Within this moment, we are just going to enjoy this place of restfulness. We are now in our own zone of creativity, of love, of expressing our love. We are in a safe place where we can do this freely. Enjoy it immensely. This time is for you. Breathe in and out. And in this moment, we will breathe in the words, I am a creative being, and I sow seeds of greatness into the soil of this earth. Let's just breathe in and out. And we will focus our attention on the goodness we've sown, the great seeds that we've planted. Whether we enjoyed the harvest or not, we participated in something great. We assisted someone who became great. Let's just breathe in and out. We were important. We are valued. We are cherished. Breathe in and out. We will now breathe in the words, I do not have to hide who I am. People love and accept me for who I am and as I am. Breathe in and out. In this moment, we breathe away from a mask, from an image, from a title. We just enjoy being ourselves in this moment. We relax in ourselves in this moment. We bring our confidence ways into this moment. Breathe in and out. Ways have a way of opening up for us. Answers have a way of coming to us. Solutions have a way of flowing to us. We just enjoy our participation in this cycle, our contribution to this cycle, our contribution of giving answers to others, assisting others. Breathe in and out. In this moment, we breathe in the words, I am an amazing, creative person. As goodness flows from me, it also flows to me. Breathe in and out. We bring our attention to our goodness that we share with the world. Our gifts, our talents that others remember us by, appreciate us for, admire us for. Breathe in and out. Just enjoy the ways as it flows out to others and returns back to us. We breathe in the words, the picture I paint for my future is based on the reality of my true self. Breathe in and out. There is nothing lacking. And in this moment, we focus our energy on connecting to all the sources to share our gifts and talents, to release them, to deliver them, so that goodness can flow back to us. It can support us. It can care for us. Breathe in slowly and out slowly. We breathe in the words, I declare that my path to sharing is met by those who match the loving energy I emit. We clear this path. We clear our journey so that all those who are on the same frequency connect with us, can support us, can contribute to the flow of us so that we may contribute to the flow of them. We create a new family around us, a new community from within. Breathe in slowly and out slowly. We become a part of this community. We assist this community. We receive from this community. It enhances us. Breathe in and out. We breathe in the words, I deeply feel love, and I radiate it back in return. We breathe in the power of the way we feel love. how we physically express it, how we enjoy it, how it's satisfying to give and receive it on this physical plane. We share that. We appreciate that about us.
So this is my first time listening to a meditation with guidance without music, and I think it's not meant for me. I really prefer with music. It's too dry and it's harder for me to focus. However, today I did, during the process, I was in and out of meditation. There are times that I can't really focus on it, but thank God that essential oil on my palm, when I smell it, it really helped me to come back and stay focused. With this meditation guideline, I think it was more helpful if I were to mentally repeat what she said. A lot of darkness, but in the darkness, I do see a light of orange, like a layer of orange on the darkness. So still help with my Sacral Chakra, and hope tomorrow I'll be more focusing on the other parts with music to help me really meditate deeper. Ready for the day?